guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle content, pure lifestyle content, all about hair and food, a little bit of DIYs. So today we are going to do hair, yes, and we are going to do distressed locks. And this is the current state of our hair. We have straightened it, and as you know, I don't use heat for straightening. So we have parted our hair using a rubber band. It's my first time parting these smaller braids, and it took me quite a while. It took me about 45 minutes doing this, which is fine. And we are going to use the braid from Darling, and it's in number 1 called Spring Twist. So that is how it looks. So I got two of them, and we are going to do the distress locks. So let's just get into the video, because I want to start from the back and it will be a bit hectic showing you the back. Let me do that off camera, and then when I am in front we shall come back and do it with you guys. Okay, so let me begin doing this. So we're almost halfway and we're done with quite a bit. So I want us to do the front, and this is how the braid looks like. It's a bit shorter, but once I'm actually taking a piece of it, then just fluff it out. It's very long once you begin pulling it. The thing, okay, these rubber bands are so fake, let me say. They're not very strong rubber bands, so you'll end up having to repeat this process. That is what we have. I'm going to use this gel from Nice and Lovely. I'm just going to take a bit of it, then just put it at the base. Like that. Then you're going to take our braid. And just take a small portion of the braid like this part, put it against your hair like that, then begin wrapping, because you want to close the rubber band. Wrap a few times, then just begin wrapping as you move away from the root. So you want to use your finger like that, so that we have the distressed look. So we're going to continue doing that. Just do some few rounds, and kindly please remember this braid, it's long enough to wrap always to the end, but don't use so much force when you're doing this. So you just want to layer it as you move. Put your thumb again, layer it as you move. So because I've been left with so much hair, I'm going to fold it like that, going up, and then this is what we have remained. So you're just going to wrap it to the base, then start going up So once you're done wrapping, you're just going to wrap it with the palm of your hands. Then that's the braid done. Put that away. Take another one. Repeat the same process until you're done. Let me show you another one. Fluff up the braid. See? Take another one. Use your gel. Take your braid, position it, have a shorter side and a longer side, place it against your hair, begin wrapping to the base, and just wrap as you go by. There's so many ways you could do this. There's some who use crochet, and there's me who used the rubber band. So with this one, you could tell the hair is still there and the braid is out. So you're just going to wrap this one going up kidogo so that it locks. Then we are going to take another braid and just finish up closing this bit. I'm going to take a braid, just a full one, cut it into half. That part, fluff it out, take it, put it against the braid like that, then just continue wrapping. So such method, if you would want longer distressed looks, you can use that method, or if the braid comes to an end before your hair. So that's it. Then you just begin wrapping going up. So you're going to repeat the same process until you're done with the rest of the hair. So that is the much we have remained with. So let's finish up. are done, and this is how the distressed locks looks like. They're quite distressed, yes. So you can tell that they are longer, some are medium, and some are a bit shorter. So I showed you guys how you could do longer ones and how you could do shorter ones, and this is, I went for a mix, yes. So that is how they are looking like. I know the parting is not so clearly, so please forgive me, but I know you can do a better job compared to me. So remember, we had 2 packs of this, yes, and I've actually used 1 pack and just a portion of the rest. So I have remained with quite a bit of the pack, and this will go into our another project. So yeah, this is how we are. We are pretty impressed. So let's keep them on and see how long they will last. So to care for them, I'll just be using my oil. This a blend of oil. So just be applying this on my scalp and just braid spray, and then that's it. So yeah, we are done. We are looking good. So our hair is hidden, and we will be looking like this in a couple of weeks. Quite a change of style, and it's good. It's good to look different once in a while. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until our next video, bye.